Hey guys, Bob from Gil Skillz. I made a slight modification to the man cave for your enjoyment. Well, basically primarily for me, but for your enjoyment too. Check this out. Oh yeah. Got myself a nice little 8-foot ballast to light up my bench. So now I can do micro scrapping at night and the video quality will be better. As you can see, it lightens up big time. So now, this is part 2 of the e-waste micro scrapping video. So pretty much all that's left is the computer, the microwave, the TVs, the monitor, a couple of VCRs, some laptops, and some miscellaneous pieces of metal. I'm going to put them all up here on the bench, just like I did the first part of this series, and we'll go ahead and strip it down to its bare essential metals. That metal currency. Yes. So stay tuned for this exciting episode of Gil Skillz. What's on the list to do first, Johnny? Let's see what we land with. Oh, shoot, a little too close. I think it's going to be the computer there, Bob. Okie dokie. The computer it is. Boop. Dream until your dream come true. Yeah. Piece number 1 is a PC. A sexy little vintage PC that has been around for a little while, has some cigarette stainage on it, and she shall be disassembled promptly and quickly, and will feel no pain. Need a whole bunch of screws on the back of this thing. Side piece should come right out. All right, look at the inside of this puppy. Wow. 1, 2, 3 hard drives. In a vintage computer. All right, guys, let's go ahead and take this apart, shall we? We lucked out here. We got 3 hard drives. Woohoo! An 80 gigabyte hard drive. So we got aluminum, possibly stainless steel, and then we got the high grade board. See, this one is 200 gigabyte. It's heavier, bigger board. 250 gigabyte. Looks like we got a video card here. This little video card with aluminum heat sink, peripheral card. Take a look at this too. Look at the difference in color on these gold fingers. Now this one here is pretty golden. This one here is it's a silvery color. So I'm not sure if that's silver or if that's just, yeah. The 56K modem. You don't see these much anymore. It's made from Canada. Woohoo! Ethernet. Power supply. Another hard drive. Oh yeah. Got these little brass thingies. It sticks, it's ferrous. Look at that beautiful RAM. Gold plated. That's not gold flashed. That's gold plated. Yagels! Lots of light iron for the light iron pile. A nice little power supply. Some wires. Some ribbon. A nice little motherboard. Got some nice RAM sticks. A CD writer and a DVD writer. Some extruded aluminum. 4 hard drives. A floppy hard drive or floppy drive. We got some screws. We got some copper bearing motors, aka the fans. Let's continue. What's next, Johnny? Let's see. What do we want? What do we want? Let's scrap a few of these keyboards. Yeah, keyboards. Let's see what's in those. Interesting, there's the steel plate, probably to give it a little bit of weight, because the thing's mostly made of plastic. Let me go ahead and see if I can take all those screws off. Whoa. What did you say? The little things. So, I seem to remember Scrapper Dave saying something that along the lines of this has some sort of material in it that's worth something. Scrapper Dave, if you could comment on that, NAZAR, Mylar, I don't know if that's the term you used, but if it is valuable, I'll hold on to it. Please let me know. Yes. Ah, I'm getting attacked by an octopus. Ah! There's virtually nothing in here. There's like a little board in here. That's pretty much it. The rest is plastic. Keys. Mm-hmm. pad. PC. Wireless card. Lithium-ion battery. DVD drive. Hard drive. Keys, I'll separate that later. Gold pins. Now I know for a fact that the LCD screen works on this. So what I'm going to do is I've already written down the make and model number of it, and I'm going to try to sell it on eBay. Brand new, they go for right around $50 on average. I'll sell this one used for $20. It'll sell all day long. So that's the motherboard right there. I/O port. So this is worth about 20 bucks, maybe a little bit more. The $20 piece is the LCD unit that's sitting inside this housing, but you can sell the housing and the LCD together. It's pretty much worth 20 bucks. It'll sell. Copper bearing motor. That's pretty much it on that. Just get the sheet. You may be telling yourself that I'm being way too picky taking all this tin out of here. Well, you may be right, but it's metal and it comes out. Now, if you really wanted to go crazy, you could take all these little brass fittings out. I'm not going to do that. Junk. Next victim. There we go. Is that a lithium? It's got to be. Yep, lithium ion. Let me know in the comments below if your scrapyard takes lithium ion batteries. And if so, how much per pound? Refurbished. That should say recycled or being recycled. Wow. 4 gigabytes. I'm going to have to hold on to that. I might be able to sell that on eBay. Yep. Wireless card. So this LCD is broken, so I'm just going to trash that. There's no reselling that. A little button that could contain some silver. So again, there's brass pieces inside here. I'm not going after them. It's a giant pain in the tuchus to get them. So, all right, we get a nice sized heatsink here. Go ahead and take that out. Nice and nifty little CPU, DVD player, hard drive. Another motherboard. Let's see, what else we got here? Got another I/O right here. That's pretty much it. That's all that's really in here. So, and this piece, this bottom piece, is, I mean, it looks metal, but it's not. It's plastic. All right, that's junk. Doing all that semi-medium stuff now, so we might as well do like the VCRs and stuff. Screws, and more screws. Oh, jeez. Pleasantly surprised. I think that's, oh yeah, that's cast aluminum. Woohoo! That might be a solid piece of brass. I'll mess with that a little later. I know this is aluminum, but there's a steel rod in there. I'll take that apart and we'll find out in a little bit. Copper mirror motor there. Crystal oscillator. just one big piece of aluminum in this thing. Ooh, it's a nice little magnet. Nice. Going in the shred.
If you want to learn to micro scrap, forget all the other YouTube crap. In his vehicle that he fills with all of the e-waste thrills, he has energy but he takes no pills. Shows you how you can pay your bills. So much scrap